Mountain daisies are one of a few MeadoWatch species that belong to the Asteraceae family, collectively known as asters. This particular plant can grow relatively tall, sometimes even over 2 feet high, and each stem usually has one inflorescence or floral structure growing from the very top. They have wide, spoon-shaped leaves that grow from the base of the plant, but as you go up the stem, you'll notice that the leaves get smaller and they also get pointier. The Asteraceae family used to be called the Compositae family because they have what are known as composite flowers. Let's look at some photos to see what that means. In mountain daisies, like other species that belong to the same family, what looks like one large flower is actually made up of hundreds of smaller flowers that each has its own reproductive parts. When the plant is budding, you'll see what looks like a flat yellow circle filled with tiny little nubbins, just like a common daisy. Those little nubs are called disc flowers. You might also start to see a little ring of purple around the bud, and those are the beginnings of what we call ray flowers. When the plant is actively flowering, you can see why they have that name. They fan out around the central disc in rays, just like the common daisy you're probably familiar with. Except the mountain daisy's ray flowers are purple and not white. The fruiting state just looks like a little brown globe, and the seed head is covered in little white fluffy seeds. But note that they're really tightly packed together, not loose and feathery.